Hi, everyone. Welcome to English Coffee Time.
Hey there. Good to see you again, or hear you again. I'm Neo.
And I'm Emma. If you're new here, this is English Coffee Time, the channel where we talk in real, everyday American English, slowly and clearly for beginners and intermediate learners.
We upload long conversations regularly, so you can listen while you drink your coffee, walk, drive, or do chores. Just press play and relax with English.
Listening regularly is one of the best ways to improve your English and feel more confident, so please subscribe and turn on the bell to stay connected with us.
We're really happy you're here with us.
Okay, let's start today's coffee chat. Today, we're talking about something very real and very important: relationships at work and communication between colleagues.
Yes, workplace relationships. The good ones, the bad ones, the funny ones, and the difficult ones. Real stories, real English.
Hey, Neo, long time no see. How have you been? I was thinking about you because I started a new job recently and I'm still learning how to connect with my coworkers. It's not always easy.
Hi, Emma. I've been doing well, thanks. And yes, starting a new job can feel stressful. New people, new rules, new culture. I've been there many times.
Let's start simple. Why are relationships at work so important?
Because work is not just tasks and emails, it's people. When relationships are good, work feels lighter. When they're bad, even easy tasks feel heavy.
That's so true. I noticed when my colleague smiles and says good morning, my day feels better.
Exactly. In my first office job, I didn't talk much, I just worked quietly. But I felt lonely. Then one day, a coworker invited me to lunch. That small moment changed everything.
What happened?
We talked about food, family, weekend plans, nothing serious. But after that, work felt more friendly. I wasn't just the guy at the desk anymore.
So small talk matters.
Very much. Small talk builds big trust over time.
For beginners, what kind of small talk is safe at work?
Safe topics are weather, food, coffee, weekends, movies, sports, traffic. For example, did you have a good weekend? Or, this coffee's really strong today.
I actually used that coffee line yesterday.
See? Perfect workplace English.
What about the first day at work? That's the hardest.
On the first day, smile, say hello, introduce yourself. Hi, I'm Emma. I'm new here. That's enough. You don't need to be perfect.
I remember my first day. I was nervous and said, "Nice to meet you," about 10 times.
That's totally normal. People understand. Everyone remembers their first day.
Have you ever made an awkward mistake at work?
Oh, yes. Once I called my manager by the wrong name. I felt terrible.
Oh no, what did you do?
I apologized, laughed a little, and moved on. Guess what? He laughed too. Mistakes happen. How you react matters more.
That's comforting.
Another funny story? Once I replied, "You too," when my boss said, "Enjoy your vacation."
I've done that.
Everyone has.
Let's talk about teamwork. How do relationships affect teamwork?
Good relationships mean better teamwork. When you trust people, you ask questions, share ideas, and help each other.
I had a group project at work last week. At first, it was quiet and awkward.
Let me guess. Then someone started talking.
Yes, someone shared a small idea and then others joined.
That's how it starts. In one of my jobs, our team didn't communicate well. We missed deadlines. After we started having short daily chats, everything improved.
Communication really changes everything.
It does. Even saying, "I need help," is powerful.
What about conflict? Not all coworkers get along.
Conflict is normal. Different personalities, different styles. The key is calm communication.
Can you give an example?
Sure. Once I worked with someone who always interrupted me. Instead of getting angry, I said, "Can I finish my thought first?" It helped.
That's polite and clear.
Exactly. Don't attack. Explain how you feel.
Have you ever had a serious conflict at work?
Yes, a coworker blamed me for a mistake I didn't make. I felt angry, but I asked for a private conversation. We talked. Turned out it was a misunderstanding.
So talking directly helps.
Almost always.
What about managers? Relationships with bosses feel different.
They do. With managers, be respectful, honest, and reliable. Do your work well. Communicate clearly.
I sometimes feel nervous talking to my manager.
That's normal. Managers are people too. One of my managers loved talking about his dog. That helped break the ice.
Pets are great conversation starters.
Definitely.
What about remote work? Many people don't see their coworkers in person.
Remote work needs extra communication. Short messages like good job or thanks for your help really matter.
I like when someone sends me a friendly message. It feels human.
Exactly. Emojis help too, in the right context.
Any funny remote work stories?
Yes, once someone forgot to mute their mic and started singing.
Oh no.
We all laughed. It actually made the team closer.
That's great.
Work doesn't have to be serious all the time.
Let's talk about workplace culture. Every company feels different.
Very true. Some offices are quiet, some are loud and social. Observe first. Learn the culture.
In my office, people eat lunch together.
That's a great chance to connect.
I joined them once and felt more included.
See? Small actions.
What about gossip at work?
Avoid it. Gossip damages trust. If someone gossips, listen politely and change the topic.
That's good advice.
Focus on positive conversations.
Have you ever made a close friend at work?
Yes, one of my best friends today is someone I met at work. We started by talking about movies.
That's nice.
Work friendships can be very strong because you share stress and success.
What about after work? Is it okay to hang out?
If you're comfortable, yes. Coffee, lunch, a walk, but respect boundaries.
Balance is important.
Always.
Let's talk about cultural differences at work.
Very important topic. Be curious, not judgmental. Ask questions politely.
I work with someone from another country. I love learning about their traditions.
That's how understanding grows.
Any story about that?
Yes, a coworker once shared food from their culture. We all tried it and talked about our backgrounds. It was a great day.
Food connects people.
Always.
What about difficult coworkers? Negative people?
Stay polite, but protect your energy. You don't have to be close to everyone.
That's reassuring.
Focus on your work and positive relationships.
How can beginners practice workplace English?
Listen to real conversations, repeat phrases, and don't be afraid to speak. Simple English is good English.
I like that.
Saying, "Can you help me?" or "Thank you for explaining" is enough.
Let's do a small role play.
Okay.
Hi, Neo. Do you have a minute?
Sure, what's up?
I have a question about this task.
Perfect. Very natural.
Thanks.
Another tip, say thank you often.
Yes, gratitude matters.
It really does.
Let's talk about work events, parties, meetings, trips.
Work events are great for building relationships. I once went on a work trip and shared stories with colleagues at dinner. After that, work felt easier.
Shared memories help.
Exactly.
What about mistakes at work?
Everyone makes mistakes. Admit them, learn, move on. People respect honesty.
That helps reduce fear.
Fear blocks communication.
Final advice for building good workplace relationships?
Be kind, be patient, be yourself. Relationships take time.
Thank you, Neo. This conversation was so helpful.
Thank you, Emma. I enjoyed it.
So that was today's coffee chat about workplace relationships and communication between colleagues.
We'd love to hear from you.
In the comments, tell us about a funny, interesting, or challenging experience you had at work.
Or share one thing you do to build good relationships with your coworkers.
Write in English, even if it's short.
We read your comments and love learning about your experiences.
Thank you for spending your time with us.
Keep practicing your English and enjoying the process.
See you next time on English Coffee Time.
Take care.
Bye for now. Keep going.